Hey guys, what's up? This is Hussein Tabi and it's crazytoonstudio.com. And today we are going to continue from where we left in the last lecture. So let's go ahead. So let me cover all these top areas uh, in the door side. Alright, so let's go to the top and let's cover all these areas. What I'll do is I will activate snapping tool here so that I can draw this properly. Okay, and when you go to the perspective, you will see here, right, we have drawn this. I want minus 40. All right, so it's like the height is 240 we have kept. So this is 40 centimeter and 2 meter height is the door height here I'm keeping for this project. Okay, so you can see now it is looking fine, right? But not this. This is good. So what I'll do is I will cover everywhere, here, then here, everywhere. You have to do the same thing. So go to the top view again, and let's continue drawing this. So what I'll do is I'll create this rectangle here, snapping on, and let's start creating it. I just keep on creating the rectangles everywhere where you can find the door, and then later what we'll do is we'll select all the rectangle and apply extrude on it, right? And we'll extrude all together, so you don't have to create boxes all over again. Okay, this will be open. All right, I think this is done. Let's go to the perspective and check it out. All right, but some areas like you see here, it is here. Okay, so just select this move tool, take this to 240 place, that is here. Let me check this. This is not full. While later I'll do. Okay, here. Okay, okay. All right, not an issue. So I'll select this one, snapping off, and right click to and convert to editable spline, and then keep on attaching all this spline. All right, why I'm attaching is when I will apply extrude, the extrude will apply on all the rectangles. Okay, so you go here and you apply extrude, and you see everywhere the extrude is applied because we have attached them. So then I will do minus 40. Okay, all right, here we have a problem, this one. So go to here, click on this spline, create these two spline and take it inside here. Done. So now when you see this, you have covered all the doors. Okay, here this is, we actually missed this one. This one we missed. We can apply separate, not an issue. Sorry, apply extrude here. Extrude minus 40 is by default applied. All right, and the next important task in this lecture is to create windows. Okay, so how you will create the windows? I mean, we are not creating windows, but the place for windows, just to make a hole inside the wall. Okay, so we will use boolean for that. All right, so let's see how we can do that. So first I'll go to the top, F3, and let's see where we have windows. Now you have windows here, but I'm not going to create window here as the client told me not to do so, right? In the final plan, they actually removed this, and I forgot to remove it from here because this is the lobby here, and they want to place sofa here and then logo on the wall. So they removed it. So even in here in our lecture also, I don't want to create this. Okay. So where we will create is here, the general manager and this office area. These two areas are the main. Okay. All right. So let's create this window here first. So I'll take a rectangle, snapping on, and create this part. Okay. And then come here and same thing. Okay. And you have window here, you have window here. All right. But in the project, we are not going to show this part. The general manager room is having two windows here. Let's create this also. All right. And let's have this also. Okay. Let's go to the perspective view. All right. Snapping off. And let's select these rectangles and apply extrude. Now the total height is 240 and the door height is 2 meter. The door and the windows, right? Both should be on the equal line, same line, right? So that means the end of the window will be at 2 meter. And I want the height of the window is 120. So that means the window will start 80 centimeter above the ground. Okay. So you go here and then apply extrude 120 but 80 centimeter above the ground. Okay. And I will scale this like this. Why, I will show you in a moment. Select this one, same procedure, extrude, move 120 up, sorry, 80 centimeter above the ground, and then scale it up in this direction. Then select here and then extrude this one. Okay, sorry, I was just checking if this is recording or not. Sometimes it stops, right? I think, yeah, this is recording the lecture, but sometimes it should not hidden actually. I don't know why it is hidden. Recorder is recording. I hope so. Let's continue. We'll see later. Anyways, so I want this one about 80. Scale this. Select this one. Extrude. (120) above the ground 80 centimeter, and then scale. Done. So now when you go to the top, F3, you have these shapes here at the place of window. All right. Why I scale is because I want to boolean this area. Okay. So I'll select this wall. I'll go here and I'll go to the boolean, pro boolean, start picking, and you can see we have created a space for windows. Don't worry about all this stuff. You go here and then convert this to editable poly. Then select all the polys and just go here, down, down, down. Yeah, and press clear all. And you will see that problem is gone. So this is now the door opening, the windows opening, right? And then at the last, for now, what we'll do is we'll create the floor and same on the top, right? Ceiling. So what I'll do is I'll take a line, snapping on, and let's start creating from here. Okay. All right. Okay. Go to the move tool and apply 0. Go to the perspective and check if we are correct. Sometimes there is a problem, like snapping does a problem. Sometimes one point here and one point here. So you have to align everything properly. Go to the extrude and extrude like -5 centi. Okay, so now you have a floor here. So you can see we have a floor here. Okay, and what I'll do is I will select this floor and I will clone this, copy. Okay, plus 5 centimeter and put this on 240 centimeter height. So this is your ceiling. So now you are inside your office. You can see here. Okay, do not select this, just select outside somewhere. And you can see this, we are inside the office. All right, I think this one is the secretary area, yes. Okay, this is the office. And this one here is the secretary area. Sorry. Okay. All right, and this is the entrance here. Okay, so this is enough for today. Go to the top and see F3, right? This is the entrance here and everything is created. Here also I want to do something. I don't want this like this, okay? What I want here is let's hide the top and let's hide the bottom also. And here I don't want like this, okay? Here what I want is I want this one as a glass, so I'll create this separate. This one also glass and this one here glass. So what you can do is you go here, convert this to editable spline, go to the attach and then attach all these. Okay, let's move and see if we have attached the proper splines. Yes, okay. And go to the extrude here and I will extrude 110. This is okay. Okay, like this. This will be the glass. Later on I will actually reduce this width because this is too much here. I don't want this much thicker glass here. And here you can see this thing is like the support of these glasses. So let's create here the supports. Okay, attach this also. Okay, and then you go to the extrude and you have it like this. Oh, oh, we have got a problem here. Select this, snapping off, take it to 0, right? And select only this particular spline here. Yeah, this one and make it 0. Okay. And I don't want the seam, I want this one 120 just to give it a shape like this. It's looking nice. Okay. Later we will decrease this length, this width, so it will look like this fit into the supports, this legs here. All right. So this one is enough for today's lecture. Just practice, create these things, make the hole here, create this one, create the flow, clear this link. In next class, we'll take any one area. Okay, like for example, this general manager room. All right, and we'll create the window curtains. Right, we'll create shelves here, then create ceiling, everything, and we will set up the proper uh, with all the necessity, all the furnitures here, so that when we start the lighting, we'll use this same area for lighting and then texturing also and rendering also. So we will take this up now, this area here in our further classes. Okay, but you have to, same like that, you have to practice everything. Like here you create the ceiling and everything, but first you need to do the same thing what I'm doing here, practice it, and then you can do all the other areas, the plant you can work on. All right. Okay, so this is enough for today's class. The next class is going to be a little bigger as sorry, as we are going to import some furniture. All right, so see you next class, take care.